Hi guys, yesterday we discussed about tetracarbonyl compound. Today we discuss about pentacarbonyl compound. FeCO5 pentacarbonyl compound. Same as follow tetracarbonyl compound. First you should write atomic number of iron. Atomic number of iron is equal to argon. Argon means 18 electrons. Argon, then 4s2. 18, 19, 20, 26 no? 26 means 3d 6. Atomic number of iron is equal to argon 3d6 4s2. That means electron see 3d6 argon. Listen clearly. 3d6 5 subshell now 1 2 3 4 5. Then 4p. This one 3d 6. Set up. We are right. 3d 6. Then 4s2. 4p not there any electrons. 4p 0. 3d 6 means 1 1 1 1 1. Then according to Hund's rule. Then 2 electrons 3 4p 0. So then s orbital going to excited state according to the Hund's rule come to here, but influencing of carbonyl compound it's going to p subshell. Again you write the electronic configuration. You all are following parallel to me. నాతో సమానంగా మీరు ఫాలో అయితే రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ మీకు బాగా అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా. వీడియో వినేసి వదిలేస్తే నో యూస్. ఆర్గాన్ 3d6 as it is you have to write. 4s2 means one electron jumps to 4p. That means 4p1 s2 3d6. Here which hybridization going to form which hybridization? dsp3 hybridization. dsp3. How many unhybrid orbitals are there? 1 2 3. 3 unhybrid orbitals there. 3 unhybrid orbitals mean this carbonyl compound has 3 pi bonds. 3 pi bonds. And unhybrid orbitals ద్వారానే కదా pi bond form అయ్యేది. 3 pi bonds. How many hybrid orbitals are there? 1 2 3. 3 sigma bonds, 3 pi bonds. Then how many carbonyl compounds are there? 5 carbonyl compounds. See once 5 carbonyl compounds. 1 2 3. Next 2. 1 2. All are sizes wise all are same only. 2. Every carbonyl compound filled with 2 electrons. Then this one, this 2 electrons giving to this p subshell, this 2 directly giving to p subshell. That means 2 coordination bonds are formed. 2 coordination covalent bonds. Then see 1 2 3. This one give to 1 electron, this This carbonyl compound also giving to 1 electron here. This also giving to 1 electron here. ఇలా 1 electron ఇస్తుంది. ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి hybrid orbitals. So hybrid orbitals are formed sigma bonds, 3 or sigma bonds. Then unhybrid orbitals, this other electron giving to the here, going to here and going to here. Don't get any confusion, Nana. First see, first you filled hybrid orbitals. Hybrid orbitals are formed sigma bonds. That means this electron is going to here, this here, this here. Then remaining electrons going to unhybrid orbitals. Here, here, here. That means these are C double bond O, C double bond O, C double bond O. This one C triple bond O. This one also 3 triple bond O. Why these 2 or 3 C triple bond O? These 2 electrons giving to empty block and formed coordination covalent bond. That's why here C triple bond O, C triple bond O. Here C double bond O, C double bond O. Okay, DsP3 hybridization. DsP3 hybridization means what is the structure of pentacarbonyl compound trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Bond angle is how many degrees? Bond angle is 120 degrees. Then first you note the atomic number, electronic configuration, then excited state, then the carbonyl electrons giving to those unhybrid orbitals and hybrid orbitals. Hybridization is DsP3. Then we see structure. The structure of pentacarbonyl compounds. Already I told you to the structure. Trigonal bipyramidal. How many pi bonds are there? 3 pi bonds. How many sigma bonds are there? 3 sigma bonds. Then at the same time, how many coordination covalent bonds are there? 3. First, iron is the metal ion central atom. Then how many carbonyls? This one double bond, see. Trigonal bipyramidal structure. That means C double bond O, here C double bond O, here C double bond O. These 3 are double bond. This one sigma bond, pi bond. Sigma bond, pi bond. Sigma bond, pi bond. Then these are C triple bond O, C triple bond O. These 2 are coordination covalent bonds. Trigonal bipyramidal structure. Trigonal bipyramidal structure. Bond angle 120 degrees. Then hybridization of DsP3. Okay, Nana? First you have to write atomic number, electronic configuration, excited state, the combination of carbonyl electrons and the d orbitals, s orbital and p orbital, then structure. You have to write your own words, own explanation. First, the 3d electrons on hybrid orbitals has formed 3 pi bonds, and 3d unhybrid hybrid orbital and 1 s orbital, then 3 p orbitals are formed 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds. The other 4p2 orbitals are formed 2 coordination covalent bonds with C double bond O carbonyl group with carbonyl group అని రాసినా పర్వాలేదు. సో ఆ విధంగా మీరు ఓన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ రాసి దాని కింద ఏం రాస్తారు, యాంగిల్ ఈక్వల్ టు బాండ్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 120 degrees. నెక్స్ట్ హైబ్రిడైజేషన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు DsP3. కింద స్ట్రక్చర్ ట్రైకోనల్ బైపిరమిడల్ అని రాసిన తర్వాత మీరు కింద స్ట్రక్చర్ చేస్తే మీకు ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. Okay Nana. Next this one iron pentacarbonyl compound. Then we will see hexacarbonyl compound. Next hexacarbonyl compound. Example chromium CO6 hexacarbonyl chromium. Atomic number of chromium equal to 24. Next electronic configuration of chromium is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d steno, 3d4. That means how can you write argon 3d4 4s2. Next then see excited state argon 3d5 4s1 here 3d5 4s1. That means 3d5 1 2 3 4 5 4s1 1 2 3 4 5 s1. Next 4p 3d5 4s1 4p 0. Here argon. Then here hybridization D2sp3 D2sp3 hybridization. Okay, D2sp3 hybridization. Okay, then take 6 carbonyl compounds 1 2 3 4 5 6. Each carbonyl compound has 2 electrons 2 2 2 here 2 2 2. Observe filling. First the coordination covalent bonds directly. C triple bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond O. Then see 1 2 3 3 sigma bonds 1 2 3 3 pi bonds. Sigma bonds student 1 electron giving to here 1 here 1 here. Then second electron anhybrid pi bonds. Simple. First 1 electron giving to 3d 4s 3d to 4s 3d లో రెండిటికి 4s లో 1 కి. Then 10 remaining electrons giving to 3d unhybrid orbitals. That means 3 pi bond 3 sigma bonds and 3 coordination covalent bonds. Okay, D2sp3. D2sp3 means the structure tetrahedral structure octahedral structure. Tetrahedral అంటే sp3. Octahedral structure bond angle is 90 degrees. Then see structure and bond angle. Structure chromium double bond ఇది డైరెక్ట్ గా వేసాను. C triple bond O, C3 coordination covalent bonds now. C triple bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond O. For double bond, C double bond O, C double bond O, C double bond O. లేదా స్లైడ్గా ఇలా రాయండి, స్లైడ్గా వేయండి స్ట్రక్చర్. ఓకే, సో యాంగిల్ 90 degrees, యాంగిల్ బాండ్ యాంగిల్ 90 degrees, టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ స్ట్రక్చర్, టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ నాట్ సారీ నాన్న ఆక్టాహైడ్రల్, ఆక్టాహైడ్రల్ స్ట్రక్చర్, యాంగిల్ 90 degrees, ఆక్టాహైడ్రల్ స్ట్రక్చరు, కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ దట్ మీన్స్ హైబ్రిడైజేషన్ D2sp3 హైబ్రిడైజేషన్, D2sp3. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ అటామిక్ నెంబరు, దెన్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్, ఎగ్జైటెడ్ స్టేట్. Then after you have to write the approaching electrons of carbonyl group to metal. Then you write structure, angle, octahedral, next electronic hybridization. Then you write your own words notes nana. So 3D anhybrid orbitals formed 3 pi bonds, 3 hybrid orbitals, 1 s orbital, 4s orbital form 3 sigma bonds. Then 3 unhybrid 4p orbitals are formed, 3 coordination covalent bonds. Then the structure is octahedral, the bond angle is 90 degrees, and then hybridization is D2sp3. Enough. Okay. Then నోట్ అని పెట్టుకోండి, దీని కింద నోట్ అని పెట్టుకొని కార్బోనిల్ కాంపౌండ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి, కార్బోనిల్ కాంపౌండ్ మీన్స్ ఏ హైబ్రిడైజేషన్కి బాండ్ యాంగిల్ ఎంత వస్తుంది, స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏమొస్తుంది, అవి ఒకసారి నోట్ చేసుకొని నోట్ పెట్టుకొని ఫర్దర్గా మీకు యూజ్ అవుద్ది, కన్ఫ్యూజన్ రాదు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఏంటంటే hybridization, next structure, next bond angle, hybridization, structure, bond angle. First one sp hybridization, sp structure linear nano, linear plane, linear structure means angle 180 degrees. First one. Second one is sp2, triplanar, trigonal planar, planar structure, bond angle 120 degrees. Then third one sp3 hybridization. sp3 means tetrahedral structure, bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. Then fourth one DSP2 hybridization. DSP2 hybridization means square planar 90 degrees. Next fifth one D2sp3, DSP3 trigonal bipyramidal structure, bipyramidal trigonal bipyramidal, angle 120 degrees. Then D2sp3 structure octahedral 90 degrees. sp hybridization ఏమో లీనియర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ వస్తుంది, 180 degrees ఉంటున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ sp2 hybridization అయితే ట్రైగోనల్ ప్లానర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ వస్తుంది, 120 degrees ఉంటుంది బాండ్ యాంగిల్. నెక్స్ట్ sp3 అంటే టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ 109 degrees 28 minutes. నెక్స్ట్ dsp2 స్క్వేర్ ప్లానార్ 90 degrees. దెన్ dsp3 ట్రైగోనల్ బైపిరమిడల్ 120 degrees. d2sp3 ఆక్టాహైడ్రల్ 90 degrees. ఇవి గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే మీకు ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో 2 carbonyl compounds are completed. First one is pentacarbonyl compound and second one is hexacarbonyl compounds. Okay, then I hope you understand. Any doubt, call me. Okay, bye, take care.